Hello everybody, how are we doing? Okay, I want to welcome you to Educant International. Yes, so today we are going to be talking about matrix, and then in subsequent videos we are going to be looking more of matrix. So what is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular or, or tabular array of numbers arranged in m rows and n columns. Okay, so yes, okay, so any matrix in m rows and n columns. The m is called an m by n matrix. Okay, so let me give us a quick example here. Okay, so if we have a a, a 1 1, a 1 2, a 1 3, 1 2 3, okay, a1n. Okay, so here will be the close of the bracket. Okay, so you have a21, a22, a23, a2n. Okay, and here we have a31, a32, a33, then more in between the a3n. Then we have here 2. Yeah, okay, okay, so here we have am1, am2, am3, and then we have amn. Okay, so now when we talk of sorry the this is so when we talk of a tabular arrangement, you see this is a tabular arrangement of our matrix. Okay, and or can say a rectangular arrangement of our matrix. Okay, array of the matrix. Okay, so now now when the when we say the number of rows, we have 1 2 3 dot till m. Okay, so we have line 1, line 2, line 3. So that is our row, and then here now this is our column. Okay, so you have this line, sorry, and then we have this line, and then this line. Okay, that's our column. Okay, so now this is what a matrix is a what? A rectangular array of numbers or entities arranged in what? M number of rows and n number of columns. Okay, so hence so now if we now say the order, okay, let me give an example of this. Okay, so if you have 2 3 5 and then 6 4 1. Okay, so if you check this out, you are going to see what there are what 2 lines here, and then we have 3 lines here. So we have 3 columns and then 2 rows. Okay, so this is a what? A 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so now if we have a 4 1 2 and then minus 5 6.2 8, and then we have 9 3 0. Okay, so you see there are what 1 2 3 columns, and then we have 1 2 3 what rows. Okay, so this is what a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so if you check it, m times n. Okay, so this we call this by. Okay, in matrix, not times, it's not a multiplication. This okay, so now this is what? This is the order or dimension of this matrix, order or dimension of this matrix. So you see, hence a matrix with m rows and n columns is said to be a of the order or dimension m by n. Okay, so now that's what a matrix is. Okay, and there are different uses of matrix, so we're not talking about that in this video. Okay, so now the next we'll be talking about is notations we'll be using in this matrix um, lessons and tutorials. Okay, so the first one is a lambda. This sign of lambda, and is a what we are using it to represent real numbers like 2 minus 8, 4.2, and the rest. Okay, so decimal and the rest. So we are using lambda for just this thing. So it's not a matrix, it's just a scalar number, just a single number. Then our I is a unit, will be for unit and identity matrix. Okay, a unit matrix is one where only the diagonal is a square matrix where only the diagonal is one. Okay, so something like this. So in the subsequent videos we'll see what a square matrix is. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so this is a unit matrix. Okay, so we'll be looking at at, that is the transpose of a raised power t will be representing transpose of a matrix, and then a raised power minus 1 will be for the inverse of a matrix A. Okay, and then it's also important to note that for every matrix we'll be using will be represented by what capital letters. Okay, so that is the C X. So we use uppercase or capital letters to represent matrix. Okay, and then in the course of this tutorial we are going to be using, wow, okay, we are going to be using, for the entries we are going to be using lowercase or lower small letters. Okay, so now what is an element of a matrix? Okay, so if we look at the initial this we used to illustrate a matrix, this diagram, an entry or element are each of these these entities in the each of these numbers in the matrix. Okay, so this is an entry in the matrix, this is also an entry in the matrix, this is also an entry in the matrix. Okay, so with that we have come to the end of this tutorial. So in this tutorial we look at the definition of a matrix and the notations we'll be using in this matrix tutorials. Thank you for watching.